I always have hard time picking up colors of yarn that's gonna go together nicely. So I decided to go with yarn that's already picked for me. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. So let's see what's inside this bag. Alright, they are doing good on the neck test. So this is a 4-weight yarn, cotton and acrylic blend, and it feels so good. Here on the darker color, you can see the halo of the yarn and the sheen of the inside of the halo, which makes it really an interesting yarn to work with. So let's make something together. I will be making a shawl blanket combo, and it will be with granny squares. So let's start one. I'm using my 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. Oh, and it glides so well. Look at this. Nice. Oh, it's such a pleasure to work, and look at this stitch definition. And because it glides so quickly on your hook, you're actually working faster. Working with it was such a pleasure. The stitches just slide on my hook. The colors are perfect. It feels great in my hands. The halo is just the right amount, and the picking of that netting under it is so great and so unique. What a unique composition. Fiber fill netting construction for airy fabric with fuzzy halo, and what a great stitch definition here. Look at this lofty feel. Feels so good on the skin. I loved those heathered colors, which are suitable for kids or adults, garments, blankets, headbands. Oh, this will make great hats and headbands. I really enjoyed working with the yarn.